Your coaching program is broken up into 2 chapters. Chapter 1 is rules, and Chapter 2 is strategy. In the rules chapter, I'll show you how the game of credit is set up. It's important to know what credit reports really are and what your credit score really means. This is a fascinating look into the world of credit reports and credit scores. Knowing this will put you in a position of power. You'll know how credit works so you can control your outcome. In the strategy chapter, I'll show you exactly what to do to improve your credit based on how credit reports and scores work. I'll also show you the habits and actions of people who have 800 plus credit scores, because how they actively manage credit is very different than those who have credit scores in the 600s and below. By the way, their credit score has nothing to do with their income. A higher credit score doesn't necessarily mean they have a higher income. Let's get started with the rules.